Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your AirPods Pro are paired and in your ears, Bluetooth is on, and device software is updated. Then open Control Center and long press the volume slider to reveal spatial audio controls. Tap to enable spatialized stereo and toggle head tracking. This initial check both activates the feature and places you where testing actually matters. Once done, you'll hear the difference as audio follows head movements. Now configure and calibrate for reliable spatialization. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then AirPods to enable personalized spatial audio if available. This tailors processing to your head and ear shape. Run the headphone fit test to ensure a secure seal, and play Dolby Atmos or spatial test tracks so you can perceive directionality. While playing, use Control Center to switch spatial audio modes and verify head tracking responsiveness. Making these adjustments improves stability and realism across apps. Finish by validating across real-world apps and handling common issues. Play spatial-enabled tracks in Apple Music and videos in TV or supported apps to confirm consistent imaging. If sound doesn't follow your head or drops, restart Bluetooth, forget and repair the AirPods, then retest. Make sure iOS and AirPods firmware are current. If problems persist, reset the AirPods and set up again. Quick troubleshooting, like repairing, usually fixes sync and tracking glitches, so spatial audio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.